Finally! Oh my gosh! Woo! So, this has been incredibly difficult to get my hands on this phone. And that is going to have to be a whole separate video. And I'm really hoping that it's not a long one, so I will try to... It might be the first episode where I actually have to go scripted. Any other video I ever make is not going to be on a script. This is the iPhone XS Max. And this is the case that I was way too impatient about, so I actually opened it like halfway just so I could touch it. But that's the rest of it. So I got this silicone case because I really wanted something that had a grip, plus when it's on the table it doesn't move around. This does slide pretty easily in the pocket, so I really like this case. Most cases that I get either slide too easily or are way too grippy to the point I can't even put in my pocket. So this is a really good medium. So, iPhone XS Max, of course I got the gold one. Now you're probably thinking, is it because it's a new color? No, I actually am a big person when it comes to gold. I'm obsessed with it. So I am really, really happy that I got this phone. I saw the Apple Watch Series 4 today, and I gotta be honest with you, I am more of a fan of the space gray Nike Apple Watch than I am with the gold, just because of, you know, preference. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So we do have this little tab on the side now that's a lot bigger than it used to be. I guess they're trying to max out the tab. I bet Austin Evans is gonna talk about that in his video. This phone is big. So this is the first time I actually went to the Apple Store and picked up an iPhone. And to be honest, it was actually a rather fast wait for two reasons. One, it was an S model, and B, when you do an in-store pickup for the phone, when you pre-order it, you actually select a certain time that you're supposed to pick up the phone. So as long as you come by at that time, around like 5-10 minutes before that selected time, it goes by really, really quickly. So I actually, because I came in early, I actually got mine right at my scheduled time. I barely had to wait. So I'm really, really happy I did that. Please don't be that guy who's like, you know what, I'm just gonna pre-order the phone. I'm not gonna pre-order the phone, I'm just gonna come in the same day and think you're gonna get it. Because next year, it's not gonna be that little amount of people at the door. There's gonna be a line all the way across the mall or whatever the Apple Store is. So let's go ahead and open it. Any day now. No, I promise it's here. I promise. Come on. Come on. Yay! So, you know this part. Cover that. So when you take the... I'm done. I unboxed it. I don't need to do anything else. So when you take this, you get a few things. And yes, I thought it would, it's fine. So, you have directions. You have SIM card. I'm on the Apple Upgrade program, so I actually get a little SIM guide. Most phones nowadays will not have that, but this is a dual SIM phone, so you will possibly have this in your phone. Here we have the actual iPhone XS Max. I'm not as excited as I was in the store because I actually got to see what the phone looks like. The XS Max is actually not that heavy, which I'm really happy about. But in the box, you have a charger cord, also known as a lightning cable. You get a little charger brick that will never charge your phone in the time frame that you need. And then, of course, you have your lightning earbuds. This is what we've been waiting for. This is why you're watching this video, is to see this phone. My God, it's so beautiful. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now I got my phone case. I'm just gonna cover it up because that's a we do here at Stand Up Tech, we cover beautiful things. We don't cover anything else. I turned it on. Oh no! This is actually like really, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up my phone. I really appreciate you guys if you watch this video. If you didn't watch it, you are dead to me. I'm kidding. So thank y'all for watching today's episode. Please like, subscribe, share, whatever it is you want to do with this video. Just, you know, don't post it on your website without my permission, because then I will hate you forever, and that'll suck. So again, I really appreciate y'all for watching today's episode, and I really hope you get this phone, because this is a beautiful looking phone. Catch you in the next one. Peace. So, anyway, back to today's program. This is the iPhone XS Max. You can see it has a whole new paper design where this is how you not do anything with the phone. So you can't even make a call. So what you do is you take this bag, you stick it over your head, and you try to talk to the person next to you. It's really fun. Plus, I think there's Candy Crush on it. That was a joke.